Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to schedule an email to go out at a specified time in Gmail. I'll show you guys how to do that. So all you have to do is just open up whatever email you are composing. You need to enter in a recipient in here, and after typing it, and now you just need to select this near to the send drop down and select schedule send, and you can specify specific time. They usually will give you some suggestion in here. Otherwise you can select the date and time, pick date and time option, and you just need to select it. And you can also alternatively type over here guys, and after typing it select schedule send, and after doing it, and now if you want to modify or delete or re-edit any emails you were looking to schedule, you just need to select this scheduled over here on left side. In here any items that are set to be sent would show up over here, and you just need to select it, and you can select the cancel send. You will have to do that if you want to modify any of the parameters, such as when you are sending it, or if you want to cancel this schedule sending. Click on this trash icon and clear it guys, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.